What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's a let's take a ride video. We are back on the Honda CBR 600 RR and it is a special video because we reached 2,000 subscribers. Now as you can see, the city put out decorations for this big achievement that our channel got. I'm kidding, it's not because I reached 2,000 subscribers. It's just, I don't know why they put out decorations, but there's a lot of traffic right now. It's 3 p.m. We have a lot of crossroads right here, so cars need to slow down. But when we get out of the city, we can really enjoy the bike. It's nice weather outside today, a little bit windy, but the sun is out. People are enjoying themselves, even if it's still COVID. People are coming outside and enjoying the nice weather. We are almost out of the city. Oop, coppers. We still need to be slow. It's nice to ride the bike again. I lost it for like 2 weeks. There was something wrong with my fork bearings. They need to be tightened up. So I didn't have the bike for 2 weeks. Couldn't ride it. But now it's back and I'm enjoying it. It's pretty fun. So 2,000 subscribers, that is absolutely amazing. I didn't think I would ever reach that goal. Like I always said, I'm just a normal guy making videos. The stuff that I do in my videos I would do normally. Even if I wasn't filming it, I would still do it because I love editing videos and making videos for other people, helping them. Doing YouTube is the perfect thing for me. I can share my knowledge and other people can share their knowledge with me. And you guys been so great the last few months. I've been gaining a lot of subscribers for my standards. It's been amazing. I can see my channel grow day by day. People are commenting on the videos, liking them, and it's so satisfying seeing a response from the biker community, I would say, because that is what my channel is mostly about. Doing biker stuff, maintenance, mechanic stuff. People who start riding or have a problem with their bike go to my channel and they ask me stuff or they find the answer in one of my videos. And yeah, it's absolutely great. It's fun to do and I just want to thank you guys. I do this like every single time. So I don't know if you guys realize how happy it makes me when I see my channel grow. I watch my sub counter every single day. I check it like 100 times every single day and seeing the sub counter count up every single day. It's still growing and growing and growing and people are so positive on my channel. I cannot say anything else because it's so amazing. So from the deepest of my heart, thank you guys for subscribing and sticking around. I do this all for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. So enough of me rambling about 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, 2,000 subscribers. I've reached 2,000 subscribers. Oh man. Let's talk about something else. So if you are watching my latest video, I did a Brixton video, like the last video I did was a Brixton video, but all the other videos before were Piaggio Ciao videos, where I tried to re-amp, make my Ciao, my first ever bike that I owned, run again good. I kind of reached a struggling point. The piston rings were wrong on the cylinder that I got. The cylinder only got 10 kilometers on that, so that was a really big bummer. But with me doing YouTube, you get some contacts. So as you know, I am working together with JMPB Parts, a moped company who sells moped parts. I told them about the piston rings and what's happened, and I went on their site and started looking for new piston rings, and there are two options. I can get a pair of piston rings for €7. Fair enough, that looks pretty good, but it's from the same manufacturer as the cylinder, who sent the wrong piston rings. So I started looking for other companies who made piston rings, and of course one of the biggest companies who comes to performance parts, Polini. So they also make piston rings, but for one piston ring you have to pay €7. So it's gonna have to be €14 for two piston rings. if I can get 247. So I'm kind of in a struggle of what I'm gonna do. Am I gonna buy the upgraded piston rings, or if I'm gonna go with the default Athena piston rings? I don't really know. So what I did, I explained this to JMPB Parts. They said to me, well, we're gonna help you. We're gonna send you something that will help you get your bike running again. In return, they just want a video of me unboxing it and putting it on the bike. It's a pretty good deal for me. This company believes in the channel, believes in me, and believes in what the channel can accomplish for them and for me. So that is a benefit of doing YouTube. And that is also a strange thing with doing YouTube. You have people following you, giving you credit for what you are doing, and you have companies who believe in you and give you stuff. I don't know if I'm humbled or if I'm just raised that way, but I don't feel like I deserve that, if you know what I mean. Like, JMP contacted me, said, hey, we're gonna send you this. And I'm like, okay, that is an expensive part you're gonna send me. Why? Why are you sending me this? When I first got the email, I was like, huh? What? No. It was a strange feeling for me. Like, other people would say, oh yeah, send it to me. Yeah, fine. But I'm like, why would you send that to me? I'm just a small YouTuber who loves making videos. I'm not like a 1 million subscribed channel, so why would you send that to me? But it's fun that people believe in me and want to send me stuff. So yeah, I'm currently on my way to the workshop where I fix all my bikes and where most of my videos are shot, because I live at a small apartment and I don't have the room for working on bikes. Let me tell you about the goal I have for my YouTube channel. It's not getting 1 million subscribers. It's not quitting my job and doing YouTube full time. It's not getting every single stuff I need for free. It's not getting recognized on the streets, which I haven't had happen to me. Nobody recognized me at the streets or in the wild, as you can say. It's just me getting my own shop. That is my biggest dream right now. I want to make money off YouTube so I can rent a shop, make more videos, and get my own place. Because now I have to ride 30 minutes to get to the shop, and it's bugging me a little bit out. I want to get my own shop, organize it the way I want it, do the stuff that I need to do at every moment of the day. It could be 1 a.m. in the morning and I want to work on bikes, because now I could do it, but I just don't want to do it. It's my parents' house and yeah, they have to sleep. So that is my goal for now. That is where I'm striving to, getting my own shop, working on bikes more and more, making this whole YouTube stuff work. I can do my day job and I can work on bikes in the weekends and at night, but I just want a place for my own, where I can take a bike all apart, put all the parts everywhere, and don't have to worry about cleaning up the shop. And also, if I'm coming back, the shop is not dirty, because my dad does a lot of woodwork and yeah, it's dust everywhere and I have to clean the shop every single time. So that is my main goal of doing videos. I already have my dream bike. I already have a good amount of subscribers. I have a lot of positivity on my channel. So the only thing that is missing is a shop for my own. So now a lot of people will give the suggestion, well, monetize your videos more. I could do that, but I'm a YouTube watcher myself. I watch a lot of YouTube videos from other people, and it always bugs me out when it's in the middle of the video and there's an ad roll. Not on my videos. There's always one at the beginning of the video. You have to watch that, but the rest of the video doesn't matter how long it is, if it's 7 minutes long or if it's 20 minutes long. I don't care. I just want one ad for one video. So I hope you guys appreciate that, what I'm doing. I'm doing this especially for you, so you can enjoy the videos even more. But yeah, I could monetize my channel a little bit more, make more money off it and reach my goal a little bit sooner. But I don't want to do that. I want the people to enjoy the channel. I want them to look at one ad and don't have to worry about anything else. Just enjoy the video. So I hope you guys appreciate that. I want to reach goals, but I don't want to do it at the expense of my viewers. So I'm almost at the shop right now. I'm gonna end this video here. It's gonna be long enough already, me rambling. I know it's not gonna be the most popular video on my channel. Not a lot of people are waiting on me thanking you guys for 2,000 subscribers, but it's just a video I want to make thanking you guys. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. It's almost my birthday. Wink wink. You can send me birthday wishes almost. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and on Instagram. And if you are not already subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Join the 2K club. Thanks again. Drive safe and I will see you in the next one.